This one bad unit. Got me another $300 four-door sedan. Can't afford not to buy these, especially when they're running. This one was obviously in a front-end collision, slid underneath the back of a truck and actually completely missed the bumper. So the structure is still completely fine. None of the airbags went off, but the cooling system, AC, is completely gone. So we're going to pull it out with Yoshi and hopefully reconstruct it with some other parts from the Altima and take it out to the desert and see how well it does. I don't have my yellow ratchet strap, so we're gonna probably break this. Honestly, never mind. The steel they used in Japan is it's like a glorified soda can, so I think it'll be all right actually. Well, that worked pretty well. Oh yeah, separator right there. Oh, damn. It's actually looks like the same radiator that came out of the Altima, so this should work out pretty well. I'm gonna get the hoses off, start cutting things apart, the radiator in there, and load it up on the trailer. We got the old Altima radiator installed. Got one of the fans wired up just to the battery because the power to the fans is controlled via the ECU, and it wasn't giving me any 12 volts out of the harness, so I just had to wire it straight to the battery. There's only one fan left, so hopefully that is enough, but everything else runs pretty good. There's no leaks except a little bit of oil. Power steering is in non-existent, so I'm gonna get it loaded up now and we're gonna head out to the desert. Alright, I don't know about the wind noise, but it's not too bad. I'm hoping the media mod helps that, but got the Sentra out. Gonna go hit that hill, go down these roads, try not to put into a ditch because these will not get us out of our own way. So check this thing out, it's pretty clean. Yeah, there you go. Can't really, yep, yeah, it's fine. Oh! Go slow at first. God damn it, I don't know what this thing's gonna do. Holy If there wasn't like a mogul right in the middle of getting onto the takeoff, I could totally drift that whole thing. So decided to get a little free advertising. Not an artist by any means, but I get the point across. I must have bent something underneath the car. Parking brake is engaged a little bit, but that's okay. There should be a separate pad. Nope, I'm just kidding. It's all drum brakes. Never mind. So we might lose brakes in the rear. Unless they're all connected, then we're gonna lose brakes everywhere. Which is fine, because you know, there's bushes and berms and jumps to slow us down. Oh yeah! So I've been driving around for a minute. enjoying it before we send it off this jump. I took Steve off of this jump, I don't know, like 8 months ago, 6 months ago. It was a while ago. But actually someone came in here and actually put a nice MX ramp right in the side of it. But we're gonna hit this unit right here. Probably not gap the table to the other side because the run up is pretty rough, especially with this front end. That's probably gonna hit the little mogul right there. Been slow it down before it gets to the jump. Put my seatbelt on for this. We lost the rear windshield, it's fine. Oh! That jump will not work. This car is too low. Steve was just a savage. There's just not enough clearance on the bumpers. Let me see how the front looks, and then we'll hit it harder. All right, this one's gonna hurt a little bit. The radiator is toasted. Come here. Toasted the bumper, but the only thing that happened was that the radiator just pulled off with this stupid clamp. So the radiator looks fine. All I need to do is get the radiator reattached and then fill it up with water again. Maybe Hagen's there. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Serpentine belt flew off. I think it bent the pulley on the AC compressor, so there's no way that's gonna work. So we're gonna call it a day. The Nissan Sentra didn't do as well as the Altima, so I guess we did really nose her into that berm, you know. Looking at it now, probably not the best jump, but that's fine. Car's moving, 40 mile an hour. RPMs are erratic. Drive-by wire systems, and it's probably way too hot. Probably melting a piston as we speak. That'll be it for this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, just keep up with your boy.